I'm Mario, Product Manager at Performance in Lighting, and I want to introduce you to our famous GUELL family. GUELL floodlight, made in Italy, are appreciated by our customers for their high quality and versatility, which is why millions of them have been installed in every corner of the world. This series, fundamental for the Performance in Lighting group, celebrates 10 years of success. For a decade, in fact, GUELL floodlight have illuminated a wide range of spaces, including industrial and commercial areas, shop windows, signs and sports facilities. What are the reasons why GUELL has become such a successful series? First of all, thanks to the quick opening system that does not require tools, the ease and speed of access to the internal components. Each part can be replaced easily, as there are no glued components. This feature facilitates maintenance and makes GUELL completely recyclable, one of the most eco-friendly and sustainable products on the market. A perfect balance between functionality, durability, and respect for the environment. The wide and versatile range of GUELL floodlight includes 6 product sizes, with powers ranging from 15 to 430 watts. This allows us to maintain a uniform family feeling within the same environment, even when it is necessary to use appliances with different power ratings. The product is made of the highest quality materials. The body in die-cast aluminum is powder-coated with polyester according to ISO standards, ideal for resisting severe environmental conditions. The clips are made of extruded aluminum, ensuring solidity and durability, and allow for simple and immediate opening. Thanks to these and the glass supports, access to the wiring and internal components of the product is facilitated. The reflector is made of high-performance, iridescent-free, anodized polished aluminum, while the entire system is protected by extra clear tempered glass, ensuring resistance and optimal transparency. After 10 years of success, the time has come to renew this winning series, maintaining the unmistakable design that has made GUELL unique. The updates we present to you concern the sizes of GUELL 1, GUELL 2, and GUELL 2.5, which are the most significant versions of the series. We are also already working on the new versions of the other sizes to complete the update of the entire series. Thanks to continuous technological advances, we have improved the body design of these products. The in-depth studies of our technicians have allowed us to optimize the thermal performance of the new versions, achieving excellent results. Lighter and more compact devices, making installation even simpler and more efficient. Superior lighting performance, with efficacy increases of up to 8%, allowing us to reach a value of 154 lumens per watt. These improvements confirm our commitment to always offering cutting-edge products. 2 optics will be available, a symmetrical one, ideal for more general application contexts or for retail, and an asymmetrical one, perfect for a wide range of installation applications. In all versions and power sizes, we will have 3 colorimetries available, 3000, 4000 and 5000 Kelvin, all with a color rendering index of 80. In these new versions of GUELL, 11 different power sizes are provided, including 3 new ones that were not present in the previous versions, thus offering greater versatility to satisfy every lighting need. GUELL 1 Plus available in 35, 50 and 65 watts. GUELL 2 Plus offering options of 75, 100, 125 and 150 watts. GUELL 2.5 Plus with powers of 155, 175, 200 and 225 watts. All this clearly demonstrates that GUELL is an extremely versatile product, suitable for a wide range of applications, thanks to its ability to adapt to different needs and contexts. Certainly one of the contexts in which GUELL finds its maximum expression is the sporting one. The new product versions offer even higher performance, making it possible to meet the specific lighting needs of these dynamic, high-intensity environments. Here's what we can achieve with these innovations. To illuminate an outdoor basketball court with an average value of 100 lux in full compliance with the EN 12193 and CONI regulations, only 4 new 150-watt GUELL 2 Plus will be enough. The installation involves the use of 4 poles, 2 for each long side of the field, each 8 meters high. For a regulation-sized indoor tennis court, only 8 units of GUELL 2.5 of 210 watts will be needed to ensure an average illuminance of 300 lux, as required by the EN 12193 regulation for sports facilities. In this configuration, the floodlights are installed in 2 opposing rows at a height of 6 meters to provide uniform and standard compliant illumination. To complete the GUELL series, numerous accessories are available, including the anti-pollution visor. This element allows the floodlight to be tilted upwards to optimally spread the light flow, while remaining fully compliant with the laws on light pollution. The pole attachments, available in single and double versions, further contribute to ensuring a uniform installation family feeling. These accessories allow you to maintain aesthetic and functional coherence even in contexts that require different configurations within the same installation. Wall-mounted outreaches, a key element in the retail sector, offer versatile solutions for different needs. They are ideal for illuminating billboards, shop entrances, and many other applications, ensuring functionality and effective lighting in every situation. Finally, the protective grille, an ideal accessory when the product is installed in environments such as gyms. Thanks to this solution, the product is always safe from any accidental impacts. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next video with more news.